Nice dogs, Coach Stegs here. Just dropping in to say what's up, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe and healthy. And we're going to get after some stick handling here. So we're going to start off, just a reminder, our knees are bent. We're not going to practice stick handling like this. Head and chest are up, we're not looking down. Okay? Our top hand is what's going to be doing everything. All right, we should almost be able to keep that hand open. Okay, so right here we go, right in the middle. Keep that head up. See, my top hand is doing everything. I can keep that hand open and might slow down a little bit, but still perfect stick handling technique. Now, let's go over to the side here. On the side. When we're on the side, I want hands out, not like this. We're not putting our hands in our pocket there. Okay? It's right here, right on the side. Now, we're going backhand. This one's a little more difficult. I understand if every once in a while you have to look down. But as we get better at this, I want you to keep that head up. Alright? Now, we're going all over the place. To the side, backhand, side, backhand. I want you guys to stand still. I just have to stay in the camera space here. So, standing still should look like this. Alright, now, forearms should be burning. Give them a good break. Alright, now that we're all warmed up and got all around our body, okay, we're going to start in with some deeks. Alright, on these deeks, the beginning part, we're going to only be faking right to our skate lane. Okay, we don't want to be faking too much further because that takes longer and it also makes us more vulnerable to get that puck stolen. We don't want to fake all the way over there and then come over here. So, here we go. We're going to fake to the left, to our left foot, right there. So it's right here, slow motion, boom, right there. I'm going to engage my shoulders and head and really make that defenseman believe it. Full speed, boom. It'll look just like that. Right here, full speed, boom. All right. So, the third part of that, first one is shuffle, stride, dribble, stick handle right here. Second one is that fake. Third one is we're going wide. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right? Now, this is one that we can do both ways. All right? So, same thing. We're going to fake to this skate lane now. All right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What we don't want to do is this right here. What's wrong with that one? No action up here. Okay? We really want to sell that we're going this way. Okay, so look. Boom. My head and shoulders are telling that defenseman or forechecker that way. And in the last second, we bring it back. Okay? Same thing both ways. Go to your right. Then your left. All right? Over and over. I want to see many repetitions of that. Boom. This way. Boom. This way. All right? Alrighty, Ice Dogs. We're going to change things up here a little bit. A partner drill. Okay? So I have 5 black dots. As you can see, you can use white tape and draw the number on them. Okay, it goes like this. I'm a lefty. To my left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm a righty, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this is a reactionary drill with a teammate, brother, sister, mom, dad, whoever you can get to call out numbers for you, all right? You are going to react and go to whatever black dot or dot that they call out, all right? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for me because I'm a lefty. All right, so I start right here in the middle. 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 5, 2, 1. All right, have some fun with it. Okay, go as fast as you can. If you mess up, that's all right. What we want to see is those feet staying forward the entire time. Okay, if someone calls out 1, you're not going to change like this because then we're still just stick handling right in the middle. All right, we want to get used to that torso, our upper torso twisting. Okay, so here's 1 for me, and then here's 5 over here. My upper body is what's moving. We have a nice solid base. All right, so have some fun with it. Again, this is what it looks like. 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 1, 3, 2, 4. All right, have some fun with it. All right, guys, now changing things up again here. Now this time I only have 2 black dots. You can use 2 pucks. You can set a puck here, puck here. You can use the dots. That part's up to you, okay? Now we're just gonna get used to using all of our backhand and all of our forehand, including that toe and our heel, all right? So figure 8, we're using that toe, then we're using all areas of the backhand, okay? Try to do this with your head up. I know how hard this one is with our head up. Once we start getting into that toe usage and the heel, okay? So when we go as fast as we can, this is what we want it to look like, okay? Keep that head up, figure 8, all the way around, keeping that head up. Now reverse, okay? I was going this way, now I'm gonna go the other way. Alright, have at it. Alright guys, changing it up again here. This time, I have a figure 8, but we're vertically arranged. Okay, 2 black dots vertically arranged. Alright, now, we're going to start up top, bring it back down and around. Okay, figure 8. Make sure we're using that toe to bring it back towards us. And over here, we're using our heel to bring it back. Alright? So figure 8. Now I'm going to reverse. Try to keep your head up that whole time. I understand if you have to glance down every once in a while like this. Make sure that head's up though, alright? Alright, get after it. Alrighty, Ice Dogs. Now, going into the next couple figure 8 drills, we're going to be reaching far. Okay, what I want to see, and just in general, not just when we're doing the figure 8, but anytime we're reaching far. Okay, I want to see those hands slide. A lot of us, if I tell you to go as wide as possible, we're going to stop right here. And look at, you might not be able to see that on camera, but look at how much further I can go when I just slide those hands. Right here, boom. That's it. Hands are apart here. When I go as far as I can, they're together. Okay? Same thing in front. If I have to reach for a puck, 2 hands on my stick, okay? We're reaching. If we're stick handling like you will be here in the next couple minutes with our figure 8, I want you out here like this, okay? Those hands are never just going to stay right here, okay? They're always sliding all over the place, all right? So to practice that, I want you to go as wide as you can this way, as wide as you can that way, all right? You guys see how far I'm reaching? I don't even think you'll be able to see it on camera, okay? It's all due to my hands sliding. What I don't want to see is this. Okay, I know you can all get further. Reach those hands, slide those hands. Those hands should end up touching each other right here, together. Together, boom. All right, have some fun. All right, Ice Dogs, good work. I thank you for your hard effort. Okay, I suggest everyone goes through those videos many times. Get as many reps in as you can, okay? Now, to finish it off, we're gonna do something fun. Okay, a little trick stick handling moves. Now, make sure that, windows are covered up, lamps aren't getting broken with this, okay? I don't want anyone too upset with our stick handling videos. Make sure that you do this outside or in the garage, okay? So, I want to see your best trick. Have your mom, dad, brother, sister upload it to the Facebook page, West Michigan Ice Dogs, all right? So we can share it and see what everyone's up to right now, okay? Here's my trick. All right, have some fun. Let's see it. Keep working hard, Ice Dogs.